to eliminate warranty failure and announce the election in short to
परफ्यूम
we
बनाना
are
जैसे
in
मिलाया तो परफ्यूम बन बना
and
आ
we
जा
are from Ramadas This is our team detail, our facilitator Mr. Shweshchandra Tripathi, myself team leader Atul Kumar and Sanjay Singh, team member Atul Kumar. Rest of the members are not because of some This is our company profile and we have won Grand Diamond Prize in 2007. These are the milestones. This is our project selection criteria. Basically, we are following two processes. In that, we are selecting the priority area. So, in quality of the priority area is now selection and focusing on the warranty features. These are the steps which we have followed for our problem solving.
ये पहले टीम है
The numbers of warranty address that we have found in the steering assembly and the linkages. You will see the numbers of failure that the SSLP, that is the steering system linkages product, is contributing 80% and steering gear products that is contributing 20%. If the warranty failure occurrence, the product wise you can see here in the drag link the numbers of incident 174 out of 253 contributing 69%. And further we gone through the complaint details and found the tracking assembly which is related to the intra model. The incident failure 145 numbers and the contribution around the 72%. Now this is the overall SSLP Pareto chart. The total BPM 3,373. Or the model wise contributing, if you see the Mahindra Draglink that is contributing 56%, Tata is Draglink 21% and Mahindra 71%, and Air Draglink and the Maximo Draglink that is 3%. This is the frequency distribution graph of the majority of field failures that was written from the field due to the insufficient power. And once we have gone through the details, that we have found the majority of the failure that was clustered between the 6 to 16 kg torque. So out of 50 numbers dragging, only the 17 draglings that was found within specification. So some of the draglings that was we have found the within specification also. So we have approached to the R&D team. So here you can see how the dragging works. It is a mechanical linkage between the steering and the knuckle. That is translating the driver into the movement of the wheels. If the sudden dragging will be failure, then it will cause of the fatal accident also. So the importance of the problem. The low torque may lead to the steering failure like a wobbling issue and the free movement issue. This is the major contributing in the steering response. And low torque provides a effect of the warranty purpose.
चल मिलकर इंपीरियल वैल्यू से तो बात करवाई दी
तो खुदा तो कसम कहाँ है क्या करके खुदा क्या समझ
लेकिन क्वार्टर कर लिया था मैंने लेकिन नहीं चाहता ना इंपीरियल थी
So our target we have taken the zero warranty failure in the
उसको रख दिया हमें इतना ही बहुत है
and we have taken the target November 2020.
क्या सोच रहा
This is our timeline.
मेरे घर मत कह दिए
This is a process flow diagram. We shown here the two major parts.
यार मुझे लग रहा
So first is the input of CDQ that we are expecting through the Kokaya. That is sequence interlinking we have done. So Volcan assembly, pre-assembly and road feeding. Torque and cycle selection to the machine. Gate port punching after the
टेंशन में बैठे होते हैं और सांस भी ले लेकर पूछ रहे हैं सर छोड़ दूँ सर ले लो सर ले लो सर बिजली छोड़ दो पेशा अपना बहुत देर से जा नहीं पा रहा हूँ कह नहीं पा रहा तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रेशर हो गया जब क्या करूँ तो प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे दे दो इसका पूरा हो जाएगा उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग करो उसे सीखो फिर जाना ओके सर फिर रोक पे बैठ जाएगा भारत
during this study we have found a rotary torque that is
अरे
varying
कह रहा
from
था
the
कि
8
मैच में
to
वो
30
वापस लेंगे बीच
kg
में
against the specification
इन्हें
that
तो
was
आदत है, मुझे तो आदत
the
नहीं
10 to 14 kg. That
फिर मान गए
the old data
नहीं,
we
मुझे
have
तो आदत है
collected
ना।
and found that is the failure in the after cleaning also.
अंग्रेजी बोलिए ना बेचारे
And this is the capability assessment that we have done for the torque issue. The CPK is the 0.77.
मतलब 6 मिनट से यही बोलता जा रहा है
In order to
ये बोलेगा?
understand the current process, the type to type, part to part, and machine to machine. As we have a dedicated line and there is a no duplication of machine. So the machine, here the machine is 0 and type to type there is a no variation. But the part to part contact, part to part variation it is contributing 100%.
इसलिए चश्मा गंदा होता है गंदी निगाह से देखो ना
So our team has decided to analyze this.
थोड़ी बहुत चश्मे भी
For
लगे
that, there is a two methodology which we can use. One is brainstorming, cause and effect diagram, root cause analysis and action. One second thing is good bad analysis, then contributing parameter for this parameter torque issue, and then action. So our team has decided that first approach will take some time. So we have gone for second approach. We have selected good bad part analysis. This is our process flow diagram which we have used for analysis this issue. So first we have selected 4 good part and 4 bad part. In that we have checked the 4 parameter related to torque which are contributing to our torque generation. In that what we have found that 3 parameter as a key parameter. One is socket bore diameter, second is ball head versus rotary torque, third is gauge length versus rotary torque. In that first graph you can see good part is whenever the socket bore diameter is lower side, we are getting good torque. In second and ball head, whenever it is upper side, it is good. We are getting some good torque, and whenever the gauge depth is lower side, we are getting some good torque. So from that, we have taken the data and we have gone for further analysis. This is the hypothesis test which we have used to revalidate our whatever the contributing factor we have used, whether it is correct or not. Then we have used the regression test for this first socket bore diameter. In that we have found that our null hypothesis, we have considered that the socket diameter is not contributing to the torque. But in that our response value is very good. So we have our null hypothesis test we have declined, and we have observed that our socket bore diameter is contributing to the torque. Same way we have done hypothesis test for our ball head diameter. In that we have considered that our p value is less than 0.001. So again our H naught we have declined, and we have found that ball head diameter is contributing to the torque value. Same we have conducted all the 3 parameters, and we have found that in the hypothesis test our null hypothesis is declined. So all 3 contributing is contributing to the torque value. So what do we next? So we have decided that we will go for the DOE, in that we have done factorial level selection, full factorial design, then experimental layout, concluding the experiment, analysis of variance, optimal combination level, and conformity. In that we have done, we have selected all 3 parameters, and we have selected the levels for all 3 parameters to conduct the trial. In that we have checked the regression analysis, and in the regression analysis we found that we have done full factorial design with 3 replicates. 3 replicates means same trial we have done 3 times. In that we have done 24 trials we have taken, and we have observed the torque value 20 to 40 kg. After that we have done design of experiment to optimize the correct value, optimize the correct level of vectors. In that we have found that our major contributing factor is ball head, which is contributing more in the torque value. So we have selected, also we have done the interaction matrix for all 3 parameters. In that you can see ball head, socket gauge depth, and socket bore diameter. All 3 contributing factors are contributing in the regression analysis up to 70%. And for that it should be more than 50%. So all 3 tests are qualifying for the all 3 parameters. This is the again optimization of parameter. As you can see in this graph, it is available. Our optimized parameter is 25.06 plus minus 30 micron. The ball head is 28.08 plus minus 30 micron. The gauge depth is 15.48 plus 50 micron. For confirmation this level, we have done the 10 trials with 100 samples, and we have found that our torque is reaching to our desired value. This is the considered and implementation of countermeasure. In that, our ball head diameter is earlier ball head diameter 24.97 plus minus 30 micron. Now it is changed to 25.02 to 25.08. The second circuit ball diameter, which is earlier 28.96 to 28.14. Now it is 28.06 to 28.11. The third parameter is gauge depth, which is earlier 15.35 to 15.55. Now we have changed to 15.47 to 15.5. This is our performance parameter, which is earlier torque value is 10 to 40 kgcm. Now articulation torque value is 10 to 40 kgcm. The revised torque value is 15 to 45, and articulation torque value is 15 to 45 kgcm. This is now after implementing our R&D, we are doing performance tests. All tests are qualifying, as you can see in this report. All are passed. We are doing buckling test, endurance test for all these ball mills.
Step 5 over check region. First is the time speed torque after implementing the laying our lower and higher value. Second one is which is our CPK value also improve 1.6. Here for warranty failure before 1 sync after it is reduced and in operation also
महान नहीं है मतलब ये नंबर कटेगा
521H also SOP and updating the drawing control plan and PFME also update control plan also update ball pin and socket control plan SOP of torque instruction and pinning operation also both are updated. Our standardization, original deployment in our other model also diode magic is gold diode and diode and dragging is team. Total investment in this project 22,000. So it is complete our time plan. And in this procedure we are using TechSeed, Pareto, histogram and control and technique brainstorming, Gamba, DOE, 5W, Ganesh and SP.
ये खींच नहीं रहा है
Material is scrap by reducing the
ये स्लो चल रहा है
machining casting loads.
ये बताइए कि 12 मिनट का टाइम है 1 मिनट से ऊपर लेना है